The 2016-2019 Buick Cascada doesn't have a traditional spare tire. Instead, it uses run-flat tires and a tire sealant inflator kit. This video covers how to use the jack and tools if you need to remove or change a flat tire or access the wheel for any reason. Be aware of the safety implications. As of 2025, parts are still available, but professional assistance is often preferred. The Cascada's run-flat tires, like the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, allow driving for about 50 miles at speeds under 50 miles per hour after a puncture. This eliminates the need for an immediate tire change in many situations, providing time to reach a repair shop. However, remember that run flats are more expensive to replace and may offer a stiffer ride. The jack, lug wrench, and other tools are located in a compartment under the trunk floor. Remove the trunk liner to access them. The jack is a scissor-type hydraulic model. The inflator kit, which includes a sealant canister and electric air compressor, is stored alongside the other tools. Familiarize yourself with their location before you need them. The first step in changing a flat tire is preparation and safety. Park your vehicle on a level surface to ensure stability during the process. Next, firmly engage the parking brake to prevent any unintended movement of the vehicle. Turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers and increase visibility. If available, use wheel chocks to further prevent rolling. These are not included with the vehicle, but are recommended for safety. Safety is crucial, especially when working on the roadside. Take all necessary precautions to protect yourself and others. If possible, move the vehicle to a safer location before beginning the tire change. If you are on the highway, do not attempt the change yourself. Call for professional assistance instead. Before jacking up the car, use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise. Don't remove them completely at this stage, just break them free. This step is easier while the tire is still on the ground. Position the jack under the designated lift point on the vehicle's frame near the flat tire. These points are specifically designed for safe lifting. Consult your owner's manual for the exact location of the lift points to ensure proper positioning. Raise the vehicle slowly using the jack until the flat tire is completely off the ground. This provides clearance to remove the wheel. Ensure the jack is stable and secure before proceeding to the next steps. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Now, fully unscrew the lug nuts and carefully remove the flat tire. If you have a spare, not standard, mount it onto the wheel studs. Tighten the lug nuts by hand in a star pattern opposite nuts to ensure even pressure. Begin by lowering the vehicle slowly until the new tire just touches the ground, but keep most of the weight on the jack for safety. Now, use the lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts to the correct torque of 100 foot-pounds, following a star pattern to ensure even tightening. Once all lug nuts are properly torqued, fully lower the vehicle off the jack and perform a final visual check of the lug nuts. Finally, remember to inspect your tire repair kit annually for wear. Seek professional help if you're unsure about any step, and always check the tire pressure after installation to ensure it's at the recommended level.